Today guys, we're reviewing the Logitech G413 TKL SA keyboard, and yeah, this is my first time reviewing something, and also my first time opening this keyboard. So yeah, let's begin. This is how the box looks. I mean, what can I say? And yeah, let's see where we can open it from. I will guess from down here. Yeah. Do I have a knife? Do not try this at home. Because I may be doing something stupid, who knows? Okay, ASMR. I'll do it like. Okay, so it seems that the keyboard is here. Let's try taking it out. Oh, I'm taking everything out, okay. Oh, this is the only thing. Let's see what's in the box. What is this? Something about warranty, safety information. Yeah. Oh. Put it inside the box again, and what it can do with the keyboard. Wait, is it saying there's some keycaps? Wait. Oh, found the keycaps. So there were some keycaps here, right to the hand here. There were some keycaps. If you're from Scandinavia, I'm gonna be using these. I don't care they're in Norwegian or Danish. I don't care. I'm gonna be using them still. But it's the only one I found. So yeah, I guess I can. Or no, it seems already that they are the Swedish variants. So that's good. Cause I live in Sweden. So yeah, let's open this up and see. Okay. I'll put this inside a box. Okay, well, I don't see shit, bro. Okay, I mean, it's mechanical. I believe it's red switches. But yeah. Oh yeah. We don't need to forget. Don't want to forget this ASMR thing. Let's try to take this off. ASMR. Very ASMR. But yeah, let's connect this to the computer and see how it looks. So yeah, guys, as it seems, it has white RGB. That's only RGB LEDs, how you want to call it. That's pretty good. Because otherwise you don't see really what it says. And I believe at the bottom. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh yeah. It does. It has these retracting stuff, so you can like stand it up if you're one. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I need to plug it into PC and not the most beautiful, but it's gonna be more beautiful when I stream and stuff. I'll put it there. So yeah, this is how it looks. Pretty good. Well, I mean, pretty good for me, because I need a one keyboard. This is my old one, only 60%, and we can see the difference if I put it over here. I mean, as you see, guys, the numpad, no, not the numpad, the extra switches, and this on top here. Yeah, this is my old bar, so I'm gonna throw it away. Or maybe I can do a giveaway. You guys comment down below if you guys can tell me what I should do with this keyboard. And yeah, what can I say more? Yeah, that's all. Nothing more interesting here to Logitech. Interesting. when I press the caps button, it shows up here that it's on. Get to know. Get to know. Yeah, guys, this was the end. I hope you enjoyed it, the video. And yeah, see you next time.